I didn't really know what to initially expect from the Galaxy Buds 2 at first, but considering the asking price, the expectations then changed to being on the higher end of things, and I must say Samsung might just have some of the best truly wireless earbuds on the market right now. There are some odd things to clear up with the Buds 2 Pro, but 1 week later with them of daily usage should be enough to give you my full experience review. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Let's take a look at our experience review with the Buds 2 Pro. For reference, these are the first buds from Samsung I've personally used since their Icon X, which was a very long time ago. So I'll be referencing my experience of the Buds 2 Pro purely based on a standalone experience and not against the previous Buds Pro from early 2021. That being said, I'm still happy Samsung are sticking to the stemless design, as I much prefer a flushed in ear tip with the Buds design for a more discreet look and feel when using it day to day. Speaking of fit and feel, I opted to use the largest tips for the best seal, and when using a software fit test, the results came back good. Comfort levels for the fit and feel are excellent for the Buds 2 Pro, and as much as this area can be very subjective when it comes to user experience, these are among some of the best I've experienced on the truly wireless earbuds. The sound quality outright has got to be the best part of using a Buds 2 Pro. I can't say how much the 24-bit audio support helps, as this is determined by the device and the audio services that's being used. Now, in my use case, my music listening is mostly on YouTube Music with YouTube Premium, so take that for what it is. That being said, with the tracks I listen to on a daily basis, the Buds 2 Pro really impressed me with just how loud they were at maximum volume without distortion, and also most importantly, the bass intensity and clarity. I can probably almost say that they're kind of a bit too loud in a lot of ways, but this is testament to just how much range the sound drivers have on the Buds 2 Pro, which should have you covered for all types of audio listening. Now, continuing with the sound, of course, we do have active noise cancelling ANC, and in fact, when tapping into the software experience, there is intelligent ANC, which when enabled with voice detect, it can seamlessly switch between ANC and ambient mode when voice conversations are detected. I actually thought this would be a gimmick and not work, but boy, was I wrong, and it actually worked flawlessly and continuously all the time. Now, I'm located in London, UK, and there's no greater test for ANC than jumping on the underground train to see how they hold up. And I can say that, look, they're not probably the absolute best I've experienced, but potentially they are. Regardless though, they worked really well, and the active noise cancelling held up very good. Another feature that I was surprised that I actually enjoyed was the 360 audio with head tracking. Now, I'm not sure I would have this working and enabled on a daily basis, but it's more of a nice and fun experience given a near enough true spatial audio experience, so something to consider. Now, the touch control options of the software are detailed, but most importantly, straightforward, with just enough options to not make them a headache to use, and when using them well on the headphones, it responds really good. Now, out of the 6 EQ options within the software, I found the dynamic option to be the best, as I felt it gave the best sound listening experience regardless of the track or the audio being listened to. Now, the overall app experience and most importantly, the listening experience with ANC is probably some of the best I've used on the truly wireless earbuds, and I would say for this part, credit to Samsung for getting it right. The only fault I can give here for the Buds 2 Pro is that there seems to be no form of auto pause and play feature, which, if you don't know, works by stopping the audio you're listening to when you actually remove at least one of the earbuds and continues when you put it back. For a pro level earbud, this feature should be available. What's good to see is that the battery life is on par for the course for what Samsung states, which is 5 hours with active noise cancelling and 8 hours without. Now, backed with the extra 515 mAh battery in the case, which does support charging over USB-C and also wireless charging, the battery life experience has been a non-issue for me when using the Buds 2 Pro. To conclude, the Buds 2 Pro might just be the best sleeper hit product Samsung announced and released for their Summer Unpacked in August. I still personally think the lack of auto pause and play feature at this price point, it shouldn't be any more than $199 for the Buds 2 Pro, and I would say probably go as far as saying that $189 at most. Apart from that one glaring missing feature, which I hope a software update can fix, the Buds 2 Pro are a knockout pair of truly wireless earbuds which are highly recommended. What are your thoughts on the Buds 2 Pro? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.